Hi guys, it's Louise here from Crazy Borgies. I hope you're all well and fine on this beautiful February day. I've nearly said March then. I don't know why I thought it was March. Anyway, so today's video I have an unboxing, and this one has come from the lovely people at DIYCHOOSE. Okay, so I am going to be filming that today, and I've also just filmed another video on my year review of what diamond paintings I've completed last year in 2023, and just a small amount of canvases that I could show you. So check that out, and yes, we're going to unbox from DIYCHOOSE. I'm going to link all the products in the video description box down below, along with any discount codes. Okay, first and foremost, if I could ask you, if you have not done so already and you like my content, to please like, subscribe, share, comment down below, and follow me on TikTok and Instagram on Crazy Borgies Diamond Art. Okay, so I'm going to flip the camera around and you're going to see my hands. Right, there we go. So we have got 3 items to show you today, and I'm going to start with this one because this one is quite big and I'm very excited about it. Okay guys, so as you can see on the box, that's the picture. It's like a little Easter egg ornament. Yes, but it's with a difference. It's something different, guys. Just bear with me. Let me open it. As usual, I will let you know. Ow, just broke my nail. My nails are breaking all over the place at the moment, guys. But I think it could be my medication. Yeah. Guess it's the joy of being on so many different tablets. Right, oh, it's quite big, this. It's a lot bigger than what I was expecting it to be. We've got our lovely installation instructions. Oh no, why do I do this to myself, guys? You know, well, I guess, you know, if I try it, then you guys don't have to try it, do you? So there's our diamonds there. We do have a couple of specials in there. We'll have a look in a minute. And we've got our trusted bendy, our bendy wooden side panels. So we've got 2 of them. And then we've got a base with quite a lot of slits in it, and we've got some lights as well. Now this is actually going to turn into a little night light. So yes, I saw it and I thought this will look really good, really good. So let's just have a look at these bits. So the base is wooden, okay, and then we've got let me just bring you down slightly lower so you can see. So we've got this part, which you diamond paint, but you're only diamond painting some of the flowers, and yeah, there's not much to diamond paint on that part at all. Hang on, what am I doing there? Yeah, it's only sticky where it needs to be. Okay, and then we've got this to diamond paint as well. And then we've got our bunny with her eggs to diamond paint. So is she going to sit like that perhaps in... let's have a look. Let's have a look here. Let's have a quick look at the instructions. Okay, so you have, so the lights actually are adhesive, have a sticky strip on the back, and you stick it around the back of the Easter egg, this part. You stick it on there, and then you sort of clip it all together with these wooden things, but you have to put these bits, so you've got, basically you have your part at the back like that, and then your egg at the front. I'm not pushing them in all the way because I don't want to push them in all the way. And then you'd have your bunny there, would you? Let's have a look. You'd have okay, so you have that part at the back, I think. Yeah, like that. And then your bunny down there, I think. No, your bunny in, and then that in. It sort of just sits up like that. I don't want to push it in all the way, but it's got to go like that, I guess. Like that, maybe. I'm just having a look here. Okay, so yeah, the basket goes in at the back, then it's the middle one, which is the bunny, and then it's the basket. So it would go in like that, sorry guys, like that, with the base behind it, holding it like that, and then you turn it on. It's a cute little light as well, you know. This is quite a big ornament as well, a big light. I'm going to let you know now how big it is. Let's see. It doesn't have the dimensions on there. So basically you get one egg shape that is decorated for the front, then you get the back base part, and then you get your two wooden bits plus your lights and your base to stand in the little ornaments that you're going to diamond paint. So you're only diamond painting these little ornaments, okay guys? But I just want to measure it for you to see roughly how tall it is. Okay. So we have about 25.5 centimeters, and about 20.5 that way. Yeah, so it's a real generous size for a light, and it'll look really, really cute for Easter time. Yes, and that hopefully, whoops, sorry guys, that should be the end result. I'll probably do a video doing this one, because you know how I like my little off canvas projects, and yeah, and it's a make and do one. Yay. These are the lights, so they're battery operated, AA batteries, and they'll be fantastic. It's going to look really nice. It's quite, you know, it's quite decent wood. It's quite thick as well. Oh look, I'm so dippy. Look, there's the there's the pattern on the back. Okay, yes, that's the back panel. No, that's the back panel, because it's got this beautiful picture on. Honestly, what am I like, guys? What am I like? I give up. And the base is very thick as well, very thick. So anyway, we will do a video on me putting that together. You get your standard kit there, but with extra baggies as well. Let's have a quick look at these diamonds. Honestly, it's painful being me sometimes, I tell you. Okay. Ooh, so we do have some specials. We've got these gorgeous yellow large rhinestones, some blue AB coated large teardrops, and some pink AB coated teardrops. Whoa, very sparkly, very sparkly, lovely. All together we have 19 colours on this one. So we've got a green, a lilac, pink, another green, another green, an orange, a lighter orange there, blue, another blue, another green, yellow, a real light yellow there, an orange, it's like a real pinkish, yeah, I'm going to go for like a pinky shade there. They're very dusty, some of them though. A pink, and then clear. So yes, that's going to be great fun to do. Great fun. Right, let me pause you. I'll put this away and then we'll get the next item out. Right, next one arrived a little bit broken. The box was a little bit open, but I do not care about that unless the inside items are broken. So we can live without a box, that's fine. So there's the back of it, and some diamonds. Yeah, it's just all falling out of the box. Standard kit once again. There's our base as well, so it's an acrylic base paint. Look at my hands from that wood. This has a dust sheet on, so when you peel both sides off it will be clear. Okay, but it's just to protect it until you're ready to display it. So this is the gorgeous ornament. Hang on, can you see it, guys? Let me lift you up a bit. What do you think? It is one of these vase of flowers, but it's been done off canvas. In fact, I think I might have this one that I've done somewhere. I don't know where I'm thinking, because I remember doing these little, oh, where is it? Maybe I put it somewhere. Oh no, I think I'm getting confused by another off canvas item I just done. But yes, these are like little hyacinths, I think. Drill area is nice and clear, as you can see. We've got those teeny tiny teardrops on the hyacinths as well. Okay, but you diamond paint all of the flowers, and you don't diamond paint the picture here, you just diamond paint around the vase and the base. Yes, let me give it a quick measure. Hang on a second. Try not to let the camera fall, but it wants to fall. It wants to. Hang on a second, guys. Hang on. Right. So, from the base, it is 25.5 centimeters by, by about 25.5 centimeters that way. So it's a generous size once again, but I think it's just going to look gorgeous, because these little projects with flowers, oh, they just look gorgeous once displayed. So yeah, I think it's going to look absolutely stunning, and it's that hard acrylic again, so it's going to look beautiful. Okay, let's have a look at our diamonds now, see what we've got. Okay, so 8 colours. Wow, 8 colours, 4 of which are specials. So we've got some red marquees in the large. That's beautiful. Got some yellow large rhinestones. The teeny tiny lilac. Little teardrops there. We've got some bright pink, hot pink even, teardrops in a medium size. Gorgeous, very shiny. We've got some soft sort of like, I'm going to say a soft orangey colour there. Bag of clear, some green and some yellow. Lovely. So it's going to look gorgeous. Okay, I'm sitting on the floor, guys, to film today, just because I was downstairs filming my last video, so I thought, you know what, I'm just going to roll with it today. Been to church this morning as well, so it's all good, it's all good. Right, let me put this away and I will get the next and last item out. Right, next item now. Oh, it's another beautiful off canvas project. There we go. So this one is a hanging wall pendant. It comes with your chain there, okay? And that's your standard kit there. So this is the item. What do you think, guys? Let me just bring you down ever so slightly. Can you see? There we go. There we go. What do you think? It's obviously Jesus, and it's got 2 holes at the top here so you can hang it up. Also, it has your dust sheet on the back as well as the front, and I just thought it was really gorgeous. And they do have several variations of this product as well. So let me just get my tape measure and see. This one is 24, yeah, about 24 centimeters, and about 24 centimeters that way as well. So yes, I just think that's going to look absolutely stunning. I really do. It's a little bit dusty on the back. Again, it's that hard acrylic. So, but again, once you take this plastic sheet off the back, it'll be fine. But yes, I think it's going to look gorgeous, isn't it? So we've got specials going on in the flowers once again, and on the headdress that he's got on as well. But you're not diamond painting much of Jesus. You're just doing his beard, a bit of his hair, some of his clothes as well, which I think is probably about right. Yeah, adhesive is good. Let me just give it the smell test. No, it's fine. There's no odour there at all. Drill field is nice and clear as well. So yeah, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, let's have a quick look at the diamonds. Now this canvas code here, GJ451, is usually written somewhere on the box. There it is, in tiny little writing, just there, GJ4, I don't know if you can see that, GJ451. And that is the same code that's on your baggies. Okay guys, so just double check when you receive them. So this one has 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 colours, and we've got 5 specials, okay? So, oh, and we've got an AB as well, lovely. So we've got a green, emerald green, a brown, bag of clear, we've got another amber colour there, we've got our yellow AB, there you go, AB is the Aurora Borealis cover that they put on top of the diamond to make it sparkle even more and give it like, it's an iridescent coating to give it like a Northern Lights effect, like very, you know, lots of different colours bouncing around. There we go. So we've got like a real soft blue there, a lilac, a pinky shade there, Wow, look at those guys. Some beautiful little flowers. Gorgeous. Some orange teardrops in the large. Some AB coated marquees. Lovely. Some green teardrops in a large size too. And then some medium sized pink marquees. There we go. So quite a generous amount of specials going on in this. Right, I'm just going to put you on pause and then I'm going to go and get the prices so you have a rough idea of what they cost price wise. Okay, hold on a second. Okay, so I've got the prices for yourselves now. So for the wooden Easter egg lamp, it is $17.79, £14.09. I just realised that I've written the dollar sign for the, should be a pound. Hang on a second. Yeah, there we go. So $17.79, £14.09. Okay, for that one. Right, okay, for the Jesus wall pendant, that is $9.39, £7.44. Okay, and then for the flower bouquet, $10.39, £8.23. So there we go. That's my little unboxing completed. Thank you all for joining me for today's video. I'm going to put all of these products in the video description box down below, as I said, along with any discount codes. And a huge thank you to DIYCHOOSE for gifting me these products to review. Obviously, as and when I get to complete them, I will let you guys know. I'll probably do the lamp on camera, that one. Okay, put it all together and everything as well. Okay, take care, God bless, and please like, subscribe, share and comment down below and all that YouTubey stuff that I ask you to do. And I'll speak to you all soon. Take care, God bless you all. Bye for now, guys. Bye.